Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the fastest way to check the serial number. And here we have to enter the code, which is *06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device, so let's tap on OK. And now another way through the settings, so let's open them. Here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Phone, then scroll down again and go to the status. And as you can see right here, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.